Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today. Once upon a time, in a faraway farm nestled among rolling hills and golden fields, there lived a little pig named Penelope. She was a pig of a pale pink color, with rosy cheeks and a cheerful snout that always seemed to be covered in a layer of mud. Penelope loved rolling around in the soft, squishy mud, feeling its cool embrace against her skin. But life was not always easy for Penelope. You see, some of the other animals on the farm were not always kind to her. They would sometimes call her fat, because she did enjoy her snacks a bit too much, and they would tease her, saying mean things like, "Penelope, you eat like there is no tomorrow." But Penelope would just laugh and reply, "Well, what can I say? Food is my friend." One day, as Penelope happily wallowed in a particularly muddy puddle, she overheard the cows gossiping nearby. "Did you see Penelope?" One of them whispered loudly, "She is so ugly with all of that mud on her." Penelope felt a pang of sadness in her heart. She did not understand why some animals thought she was ugly just because she loved mud. So, she decided to go on a little adventure to find out. She trotted over to the wise old owl, who lived in the tall oak tree at the edge of the farm. "Mr. Owl," Penelope asked, "why do people think I am ugly just because I love mud?" The owl blinked his wise old eyes and chuckled softly. "My dear Penelope," he said, "beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What matters most is how you feel about yourself." Penelope pondered this for a moment before nodding. "You are right, Mr. Owl. I may not be the most beautiful pig on the farm, but I love myself, mud and all." With a newfound sense of confidence, Penelope returned to the farm. The next time someone called her fat or made fun of her muddy appearance, she simply shrugged and said, "Well, I may not be a supermodel, but I am happy just the way I am." And you know what? The other animals started to see Penelope in a new light. They admired her confidence and her ability to laugh at herself. Slowly but surely, they stopped teasing her, and instead, they joined her in her muddy adventures. From that day on, Penelope embraced her love for mud and her unique appearance. She became known as the happiest pig on the farm, spreading joy and laughter wherever she went. The moral of the story, my dear friends, is that it is okay to be different. What truly matters is how you see yourself and how you choose to respond to the world around you. So, the next time someone calls you a funny name or says something mean, just remember Penelope the pig and her love for mud. Embrace your quirks, laugh at yourself, and always remember to love yourself. It's inside and out. After all, it's hard being a pig, but it's even harder trying to be someone you are not. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!
Penelope the pig, a superstar in training, loves to sing and dance, there's no time for complaining. Muddy little hooves, zippy tapping on the ground, snoring out a bee with a happy little sound. Penelope, Penelope, with a wicked curly tail, shaking it and singing, never gonna fail. Oinks and squeals, a symphony of glee, join the fun with Penelope, let your spirit be free. Full of truffles, snot twitching with delight, sharing with her friends, making everything just right. Sunshine on her back, a twinkle in her eye, Penelope's a party, reaching for the sky. Penelope, Penelope, with a wicked curly tail, shaking it and singing. Penelope, the happiest pig around. Penelope